Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Kuala Lumpur. My name is Feka.
My name is Hadi.
My name is Manzin.
And we are
Trio
Trio XL. I will leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. The road is set before you know. So why don't we just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming next. We're scared of having nothing but look through. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I
Is it?
This is my last night with you.
Hold me like I'm more than just a friend.
Just a friend.
Give me a memory I can use.
Take me by